Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para one another reading, and this is for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin for Taurus at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Sa ngayon po, tignan natin kung ano po yung makukuha po nating enerhiya o mensahe na gustong iparating sa inyo, Taurus. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay, so yung nararamdaman mo daw ay totoo at dapat lang na alam mo yun, tignan mo pa, pag-aralan mabuti kasi ito ay pambihirang emosyon na nararamdaman mo para sa isang tao. Okay? Calling in your soulmate. So this might be your soulmate kaya you have these romantic feelings. Okay? So your prayers and affirmation and visualizations help bring you together. So kung ito ay minimanifest mo, no, pinagdarasal mo siya na dumating na siya sa buhay mo at magkakilala na kayo, magkita na kayo, magtagpo kayo muli, something like that, no? Para mas maging madali yung pagkikita nyo o yung pagtatagpo nyo muli. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. Okay, so maging bukas daw ang iyong pag-iisip. Dahil baka itong soulmate mo ay naiiba, no? So hindi siya yung pangkaraniwan na parang typical na naiisip mo na ganito dapat ang kanyang itsura o kanyang pag-uugali or something na yung nagbigay sa'yo ng idea na dapat ganito ang isang soulmate. Okay? Dapat bukas ang iyong isipan pagdating doon. So, tignan natin. Actually, maganda yung cards mo, no, Taurus. It's all about soulmates, no? Yung talagang parang this is the person na ang pinaparating sa'yo na message. So, tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung mapipick up natin na mensahe. Okay, we have a jumping card, 8 of Cups. We have the 6 of Wands, Page of Cups, 7 of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Moon. Okay, Taurus, ang energy natin ngayon is the Moon, which is a Pisces energy. Di ba yung last full moon natin noong August 31? That's a super moon. They call it a blue moon, no? Kasi very rare. Bihira siya na lumalabas. Now, this moon, no, itong card natin ng moon is all about mga bagay na hindi ka pa aware sa mga bagay na to. Or hindi ka pa, sabi natin na, hindi mo naiisip, unknown, no? Hindi mo alam. O kung gaba nalilihim pa sa iyo, isang sikreto pa ito. Kubli o nasasabi o pinapahiwatig o pinaparating. Which could be true kasi normally ang soulmate kasi bigla na lang siyang dumadating no? Unexpectedly sa iyong buhay. na minsan hindi mo nga akala na siya na pala yung soulmate mo. So this might be something to do with yung calling in your soulmate, kasi you might have prayed for or manifested this na sana dumating na yung soulmate ko sa buhay ko. And the moon is basically telling us, no, sinasabi nito dito na parating siya. Nga lang, hindi mo pa alam kung kailan. No? You're still, kung ba blindsided tayo dyan pagdating sa kailan o dadating ba siya. No? Now, with the Six of Pentacles, normally, ang soulmate kasi natin is somebody na na-meet na natin before on previous lives. Minsan bumabalik siya kasi, di ba, meron kayong parang unfinished business o meron kayong kailangan matutunan pa rin yung dalawa. Kasi di ba yun ang purpose ng soulmate is to teach each other lessons, no, in life. Especially pagdating sa love and relationship. Kaya, bumabalik siya at bumabalik sa bawat lifetime. And usually, yung kapartner nito is you, no? Ikaw. Ikaw yung parang sinusundan niya o ikaw yung sumusunod, no? Kung sino man yung nauna na panganak sa lifetime na to. Kasi nga, yung you have to parang do o yung kailangan yung matupad yung purpose nyo, which is to teach each other yung lessons nga na kailangan mabago mo to kasi kung previous lifetime sabihin natin hindi mo pa siya naintindihan o hindi mo na-correct o hindi mo natutunan yung lesson na yon, then itong lifetime na to pinapaulit ito sa'yo kasi para matutunan mo na. Okay? So you can move forward. Now, with the Eight of Swords, ito yung kung ba parang you feel stuck o you feel na parang hindi clear, no? Something that is not being seen. Dito kasi sa card na to, ang iba yung pagka-present sa kanya, no? But in other tarot cards, you would actually see the Eight of Swords is something na yung babae nakapiring at pakiramdam niya ay siya ay nakagapos dun sa 8 swords na nakapaligid sa kanya. Pero ang katotohanan nun ay hindi. Kung ba siya lang yun, no? It's all in her thoughts, no? Nasa pag-iisip lang niya yon na akala niya hindi niya alam o hindi niya nakikita. But things will be clear. You know, I think things will be clear kasi ito pa yung moon energy Sa ngayon, maybe it's not because andito nga yung moon. But eventually, when you meet this person, pag nakita mo na, nag-meet na kayo, everything will be clear sa'yo. No, mawawala tong energy ng Eight of Swords. Ngayon kasi, syempre, hindi pa kasi. Kung hindi mo pa siya nami-meet, talagang maraming bagay na kino-question mo, no, in your mind. But eventually, when you meet this person, itong soulmate mo, you know yung feeling. Kasi madidevelop ka You will have these romantic feelings towards your soulmate. Tingnan natin yung with the Eight of Cups, somebody has decided to look for or search for that person, yung soulmate na yan. Kasi ang gusto mo is to feel na maging yung alam mo yung matagumpay for you to win o yung manalo ka dito or something na oo, makikita ko siya, no, na talagang ang purpose ko kung bakit ako naghahanap o in search of this person is because I want to have that feeling na talagang oo, natagpuan ko talaga yung person na meant for me. And with the Page of Cups, of course, once nakita ko to, an offer of love will be sent, no? Yung talagang dala natin yung mensahe na yun ng pagmamahal. Kasi syempre alam mo na ito na yung tao na to. And with the Seven of Swords kasi dito, there will be times na sasabihin natin na medyo nagkakaroon ka na ng doubt or question na bakit hindi dumadating o bakit ganito ang bagal. Kasi with the Knight of Pentacles, talagang mabagal, no? I mean, hindi kasi agad yan na pag sinabi na, ito na, calling in your soulmate, ito na siya bukas, andyan na siya, andyan na sa harap mo. Hindi naman ganun yan eh. What the cards is telling you, Taurus, is this will be coming. Dadating to, mangyayari ito. Siyempre, ang nakaano dito is yung timing, di ba? Kasi pagdating sa tarot, ang timing is fluid. So, hindi natin alam it. For me, as a reader, I give it to God kung kailan niya gustong i-present sa'yo tong soulmate na to. Kasi siya lang ang nakakaalam kung kailan yung perfect timing. Dahil siya yung gumagawa ng plano lahat nito. No? I mean, kung meron ka pang dapat na matutunan or your soulmate needs to learn something pa, then kailangan mangyari muna yun bago kayo mag-meet. Ngayon, bakit? Kasi because God wanted you to be both ready, both in perfect harmony bago kayo pagkakitain. Okay? Kasi kung yung isa medyo hindi pa healed, totally healed, o mayroon pa siyang dapat na ayusin sa kanyang sarili, at nag-meet na kayo, then you won't be happy kasi magkakaroon kayo ng issue, magkakaroon kayo ng mga problema. And that relationship won't be happy. Diba? Hindi magiging masaya. Hindi magiging fulfilling. God doesn't want that. Gusto niya talaga maging maayos kayo. Kaya, the lesson here is to be patient. Mag-intay ka kasi dadating siya talaga. Ngayon, nasa sayo na yan, no? If you are willing to wait. So, tingnan natin kung actually, ang check kong cards dito is the Seven of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles, okay? Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? We have the Nine of Wands. Sabi ko na napapagod ka na minsan mag-intay. And the Queen of Cups. And the Seven of Pentacles, okay? Bottom niya is the Page of Pentacles. You wanted this solid offer, no? Yung message na to na definitely dadating na siya na to make that offer sa'yo, Taurus. But bakit nga andito, no? You're having all these doubts, no? Kasi, sa totoo lang, nakakapagod talaga mag-intay, no? With the Nine of Wands, napapagod ka na mag-intay dito sa yung love, no? In Queen of Cups, which is a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Yun yung energy niya. Or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Kasi, matagal ka na nag-iintay, no? You've been waiting for such a long time dito sa person na to na dumating sa buhay niya. Kaya, minsan, sa totoo lang, it's really frustrating. Kasi lalo na kung wala kang particular time na iniintay, no? Minsan, mas madali kung alam mo na in 2 years time, in 2 weeks time, in this week, parang gano'n, di ba? At least meron kang timeline or time frame na alam mo ito na yun. But here, sinasabi lang dito is your soulmate is coming. Okay? And be patient about it. Kasi God is all the one planning for this union, no? Yung magkita kayo. Kaya huwag kang panghinayang o huwag kang tawag sa Tagalog, huwag kang mag-doubt, no? Huwag mong isipin na hindi na 'to mangyayari. Mangyayari siya, but sabi ko, it all depends on how you would wait, no? Kung paano ka mag-iintay. Now, bakit andito yung Knight of Pentacles? We have the Lovers, Gemini energy, the Three of Cups, and the Three of Swords. Bottom niya is the Magician. Okay. You're given all the tools para, once dumating itong person na to, you know exactly what to do, you won't feel na talagang wala na talaga, ganon. But, sa totoo lang, here, the lovers, andito siya no? Mabagal nga lang talaga yung kanyang pagdating. Pero, sure ka naman dito, no? Itong energy na to, ng Knight of Pentacles. Sure ka dyan, dadating siya, but mabagal lang siya kumilos. Marami pa nga sigurong dapat niyang asikasuhin. Now, kasi once dumating itong lover mo, o yung soulmate mo, definitely magkakaroon kayo ng, may mga times na, syempre, you need to celebrate, you need to go out, you need to do a lot of, catching up with each other para you get to know more about their person. But what I can see here, honestly, Taurus, kasi ang Lover's card is a decision. No? Ang decision dito is, kasi nga dahil matagal siyang dumating, the decision is, am I willing to wait for this person? Am I willing to wait na dumating? Kasi sa totoo lang, I should be enjoying myself, no? Bakit ko ba inaani sarili ko na magintay? So, kaya nga, you enjoy yourself, no? Hindi masasabi na magpaka-mongha ka dyan, na hindi ka nalalabas o gano'n, hintay mo na lang dumating sa hindi eh. Enjoy mo yung sarili mo ngayon, no? As a single person, if you're still single. And, just go ahead and celebrate with your friends, with your coworkers, or sino man, your family, gano'n. Basta enjoy yourself, enjoy your time. Kasi the thing is, ayaw mo, no? You don't want to have any heartache o heartbreak pagdating dito sa relationship na to. Ayaw mo noon. You don't want to be, kung gaba parang magkaroon ng frustration or any pain dahil sa kakaintay, no? It should not be. Enjoyin mo yung sarili mo. That is what Angel is saying, okay? Kasi ikaw din yung ikaw din yung mahihirapan. This is a message of telling you that you do have a soulmate and it's coming. Okay? Kaya I keep repeating myself, sabi ko sa inyo, depende na sa if you're willing to wait. Okay? Now, tingnan natin. Parating na ba yung person o yung soulmate ni Taurus this year? Maybe. Hindi pa siya sure. This is the Hierophant. This is you, Taurus. Kung ba hindi ka pa sure. No, this is what you're feeling. Ito yung card mo, your energy. Hindi ka sure na dadating siya. Hindi ka sure na itong soulmate mo nga magiging kayo o magkakaroon kayo ng relationship. Hindi ka sure. It could be yes or it could be no. Siguro you wanted to meet this person first kung ma-size up mo kung talaga bang magiging kayo. So, it's not this year. Next year ba? Mamimit na yung soulmate niya ni Taurus. Not yet, no? Hindi pa rin, maybe. And you keep having this doubt pa rin, no? With the Seven of Swords. Ayun pa rin yung Seven of Swords. So, you're still having these doubts. No? Habang tumatagal, lalo ka nagkakaroon ng alinlangan. Is it best that maging patient lang sa pagdating nitong soulmate? It says here, hindi. Kasi, this is something that you won't be expecting na dadating. So, biglaan siyang dadating. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, bigla na lang siyang dadating. So, hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan. But the thing is, at least merong dadating. Okay? Medyo, kung gaba nakahang ka dito But, I guess it's really more of how you would take this, no? Paano mo siya ma-perceive na paano ko ba ito, meron nga soulmate but I don't know when. Kasi nga sabi sa inyo, it all depends on God. Maybe if you pray to God na sana dumating na siya, that's why you're calling in your soulmate, maybe God would, expedite things and paratingin niya na talaga. Kasi nga, depende nga, baka yung person that is meant for you, meron pa siyang kailangang ayusin sa buhay niya. Or it could be you. Diba? Take it as it resonates. Okay? Pag na-meet na ba niya tong soulmate niya, is this the one? Tatagal ba yung relationship? Is this the one? Yes. That's the 10 of Cups. Definitely masaya kayo. Once na-meet mo tong person na to, yung soulmate mo, talagang totally very, very happy ka. And Taurus, don't you think this is worth the wait? Diba? Worth the wait. Pag naintay mo siya, you will be so happy. So, tanong pa tayo, ano pa yung other message for Taurus? Okay, this guys, some elements of this relationship are hidden. Okay, so, kung ba parang may nakakubli pa, maybe that's why hindi pa siya dumadating. So, I guess that is one reason kung bakit may delay. Okay? And then physical connection, the sacred union of bodies to becoming one. Wow. Parang pag nagkita na kayo, talagang I guess there would be something physical agad, no? Yung parang you cannot contain yourself, but magkakaroon agad kayo ng something na may intimacy, okay? To be blunt about it, may intimacy agad, okay? So, maybe because nga, yung feeling, no, it's really so powerful na talagang naramdaman mo agad yung romantic feelings towards this person because your person, you, both are very happy with each other. Kaya kung gaba parang hindi mo na mapigilan yung to express that love sa isa't isa, okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.